hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes.
3. Mike.
No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the goal. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night.
Mike 1, 2, 3.
Shots moving
Mike 1, 2, and 3.
heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move,
Mike.
give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy
Mike 1, 2, 3. Can y'all hear me now? Hey, thanks guys, man. I had a little bit of a technical difficulty here today. I try to log into yeah, every time I try to log into my Quantar as well, I get into a little trouble. So anyways, I had to restart my computer. We are back here again. We will get it going here, guys. We got 10 more minutes to go, right? Thank you guys for being here once again, man. Wow, first trading session of the year, Globex Asia, guys. I did trade the New York, and that was the first trading session of the New York of 2026 on Friday morning. We had a lot of fun. Here I am back again on a Sunday at night. A beautiful Sunday night, guys. I hope you all had a great weekend. And thank you guys for being here once again. Let's try to bank some small little profit here coming into the Globex Asia. You guys know I'm not expecting huge, by the way. Globex Asia, I'm not expecting too much. And not really sure if Venezuela is going to really have that sort of an impact on the overall market. With an exception, obviously, the commodities, right? So I come in today a little neutral, I would say, neutral to right. All right, so 1 second, guys. I am turning my screen on now. All right, fellow traders, we are back. Thank you guys for being here once again. Let's turn it on now. Let's go, baby. Everybody, how's it going? How is it going? Junior Charan, Kid Poker in the house. What is going on, Kid Poker? How is your trades going? John Newton, Sony, Vinny Lee, Arianello. What is going on? John Neal, Knob, LE in the house, manual trading, total 44 Punisher, Daniel, J1. Everybody, welcome back. J1, Robert, Seba, Nova, Future, Biba, Kuba, Vena. Everybody, thanks guys. Thanks. What a beautiful Sunday night. We had some events, obviously, a few days ago. So I kind of expect the Venezuela, right? So I wonder what this market's truly gonna do. I'm not expecting something pretty significant here coming into today, to be honest with you. A lot of my drones, I've got to set it up again. But these are obviously last week or say last year's kind of drawings. I got to get rid of these and try to set it up again. But we had a bearish head and shoulders kind of play out. We had a flush down. We got a bounce and a bigger flash into the early January, and we had a big dump pitch into the 265. Let's just try to go back here. Yeah, overall, still looking a little bearish, right? I mean, we still have not breaking the structure. I mean, yeah, we have a VWAP here at 483, 483. Let's take a look. Yeah, 483. That's where the VWAP is. That's a major key level, a major level of resistance. So maybe if we end up getting a bounce into the Globex Asia, we could see a little bit of a bounce back into the 480s, right? And then a little bit of a bounce, kind of fades down, roll over down, and try to retest the low. We'll try to wait and see, guys. Overall, the structure looking pretty bearish into today. So I don't know how the Venezuela is going to affect the market. I do kind of expect to see a little bit of a volatility in that crude oil, right? The crude oil sitting at 57. That will, I don't know. I mean, it could be good, it could be bad. Nobody knows. But I will be keeping an eye on the crude oil, by the way, as I try to navigate through the price action on the NQ. NQ, I'm slightly a little bit leaning more bearish. We'll see, guys, how this market opens. You got 5 more minutes to go. We'll see, guys. Careful, you're not on micro NQ. Yeah, I was not on micro NQ. Absolutely right. Thanks, guys. Head trader, what up? Guys, we're not trying to be a hero, especially coming into the Globex Asia, guys. Globex Asia definitely not the type of a session we want to be banking. Okay, so it's a lot of things can happen tonight and overnight into the cash tomorrow morning. So let's try to be careful in our trades. Hold on 1 second. I've got to change this. Yeah, the left screen. I've got left screen. I turn on my Quantower because I've got to trade my legend accounts. I have 150k legend accounts on my Quantower. I'm gonna trade those. And at the same time, I got to trade the Apex Quant Tower. I was kind of being a bit laggy, right, on my say my Quant Tower accounts. For now, I'm gonna have to kind of force to trade the Tradeovate accounts, and then maybe towards the end of the day, I'll try to roll over into the Quant Tower and see if the computer actually can handle it. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for being here once again. Hey, bro, in Take Profit Trader with the funded accounts, can you put the daily stop loss? You've got to manually do that, right? To for the daily daily stop loss. All right, guys, fellow traders, welcome everybody. We have a few more minutes to go. I did some math on how much I've got to do the summary, but I think I got to no. I think I've got to about 230 to 240,000. I think that's where my result for the 2025 was. And yeah, so 200, I would say, give or take 220 to 240 is where I kind of feel I ended. I still have to kind of do the math. I'm still not there yet, but yeah. Definitely over 200,000. I kind of feel like I'm sitting in that 230, and then I also spent about what was it again? I spent about 87,000 for the year 2025, right? And over 230 plus payouts for 2025. So yeah, I mean, grateful. I hit my target across the board, right? And I'm happy. I'm content. We'll take it. Now, I haven't thought about how I mean, what my plans are for 2026 just yet. I'm gonna have to take a little bit of a deeper look into what the plans are for 2026 as we kind of get through the mid-Jan. Okay, so maybe in the next week or two, I'll finalize what I plan to do for the year 2026. All right, that's where we are for now. There is yes. So yeah, I mean, yeah, we have that issue, which obviously we don't want to talk about for now. But yeah, we have a tax issue. Anyways, guys, it was a great year. Tell you that much. It was definitely a great year. I'm very grateful, and I hope all of you had a great year as well. Now it's 2025 is behind us. We are back into 2026. It's a first trading session at Globex Asia, guys. Everybody, good luck. If you guys are trading tonight, be careful. The market is going to be very volatile. I've got on the right hand side, I've got crude oil right on the right hand side to make sure I can understand what this market is trying to do. Right, definitely the commodities are going to move. Right, let's take a look at the the MNQ. The market opens in about 10 seconds, guys. Good luck. All right, guys. Nice little pump to the upside, guys, on the NQ, guys. NQ got a nice little pump here to the upside. All right, fellow traders, NQ getting a bounce. NQ getting a bounce, guys. We're a bit overextended to the upside. Wow, look at the crude oil, guys. Down about 1%. Holy mochaccino. Whoa!
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I went. I don't know if you guys know. I did a little bit of the crude oil trade. We'll see, guys. I want to kind of test the water. You know, I test the water too much. Oh god. But hey, Now you guys gotta see me test the water with silver now. The silver, wow, 3% on silver, everybody. Is this real? Incredible. Wow, silver pumping, guys. What an exciting Sunday night, everybody. Woo! Look at that, guys. All right, fellow traders, man. This is definitely moving. Something is moving. And the NQ found a way to kind of hold. I wonder how long we're going to go squeeze to the upside on NQ. But I'm going to try and short the NQ, guys.
Order filled.
I kind of feel we are a bit overextended to the upside here. Oh, hold on one second, guys. I may be wrong on this bad boy. Because this thing got to bounce into the 480s, guys, for all you know. I'm on a 1 micro, so what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to place my limit orders. As we try to get a little bit of a squeeze to the upside, I am going to try and short the pop here, okay, into the 480s, 490s. Wow. All right. Thank you, everybody, once again for being here Sunday night. Let's kick ass the market. All right, guys, a little bit of a weakness in the overall market. Let's take a look at the VIX here for a moment. Sorry, the Bitcoin. Kind of take a look at the Bitcoin here. I want to see what the Bitcoin is kind of doing right here. Bitcoin, well, the Bitcoin is up. Interestingly enough, guys, the Bitcoin is up. All right, so what am I looking at? Oh my God, I'm trading the wrong account. I'm absolutely trading the wrong account. I'm trading the wrong account. I was supposed to be trading hold on one second, guys. Did I exit all my yeah, sorry, man. I'm trading the wrong account. All right, here we are, guys. Back into the NQ. Let's just take a look at the NQ here. All right, so here we are, guys. 439. It looks pretty weak. I'm gonna try and short this pop.
Order filled.
Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go trade NQ here for a moment, guys. NQ trade, a tick chart, 200. Yeah, we got a nice little get to the upside, of course. 60 points pump. I'm trading NQ here, guys. Let's try to see.
Order filled.
I went short. I'm gonna be taking the profits here on that pullback back into the 430. So literally about 10-15 points. Really, that's all I'm looking for in this trade. And I will exit this trade if we try to hit the the today's high, right? At 455, I will stop out at 465 here. So I'm looking for that quick scalp here, pullback. Give me that little push down. Take my profit and reevaluate where this market really truly wants to get to, as we are now past 5 minutes of the open. Let's see if we get a nice little bull flag here, or we get a little bit of a dump. All right, fellow traders, guys. By the way, take profit trader. The request that I made on Friday, it's approved, which is great. It's great. It got approved and it's hit my wallet, so that's great. Which is absolutely amazing. Yeah, the only thing that it's a bit disappointing for StockTiger right now is that I'm having trouble to try to log into my Quantar, because I want to be trading legend accounts through silver, right? The legend eval accounts, that's the 150k accounts that I bought. for $120. Well, $126 give or take. I want to be trading those accounts using a silver accounts, right? Silver, because that's got enough drawdown to kind of handle the silver trade. So, anyways, guys. All right, so here we are, guys. It may try to trigger my limit order. Oh, there we go, guys. Mochaccino is real. Yeah, so we are pulling back right here, right?
Order canceled.
All right, so we are down. Oh, let's try to see, guys, man. Let's see if we hold this. We are hitting that very important level here, 422, right above the EMA. This could be a little bit of a triple top here on a short time frame. We'll see, guys. I mean, we got obviously, you guys see that, right? We have oh no. So we gotta live. Oh, Jesus, God, this trade of 8 drawings are horrible, guys. That's why I want to move back to Quant Tower, because I've got all my technical analysis kind of like spot on there on that chart, but really hard. Anyways, guys. So here we are on a trade of 8. We hit that resistance there. We talked about this, and then we are pulling back now. That's wow. We may try to fill the gap here right away, instantly, without even wanting. No hesitancy here. A nice little pullback down. We haven't quite filled the gap, but getting a bit of a bounce right now. Wow. 419, 420 now. Trying to get a little bounce off that low at 406. Let's see, guys. I wonder what this market's gonna do. We are pretty oversold from an RSI standpoint. So one of the reasons I went short in the beginning from this market open was because we were kind of overextended to the upside. My expectation was limited upside move. So if we get a nice little gap to the upside, I wanted to short the market, right? Looking for that rejection of that 460s area. And obviously it's not a coincidence that we have the resistance in the area 455. We constantly got rejection of that level prior, right? So there we are. Right? So there we are, guys. So we constantly got rejection of that level. And we are getting that right here. So we got to really pierce through this 465, which obviously was prior resistance, right? So in order to kind of get us back into the 600s area, right? We'll see, guys. It's a big level, right? So it's a major level. So 460s, we gotta pierce through that. Let's see, guys, if we are able to do that right here tonight. We had a nice little bounce of that low last week on Friday from that 267 into the 400s, right? So make $2,500 4 minutes. Oh my God. You guys are killing. You guys are killing, everybody. You guys are killer. The killer himself, everybody. You guys are absolutely monsters. All right, fellow traders, man, we are back again. This market, it looks like it wants to get a little bit of a bounce, right? We got a little bit of an indecisive doji candle on the right hand side on a bigger time frame. This is on a 1 hour chart, by the way. No, Surge Ward, come on, you're kidding. Mr. Surge Ward is joking. Yeah, let's have a fun night. You know, there's no reason to kind of get stressed. We got all week, guys, and we are just beginning, right? We have not even started 2026, guys. Let's take it a little slow, you know. Don't be too tempted, right? Take it a little slow, you know. Let's try to have some fun, you know. We got long ways to go. This month, we still have 25 days to go, guys. Oh, that's a lot of days, right? You know, we traded all year last year, 2025. let's enjoy the next few days, and that's exactly what I'm gonna try and do. I'm gonna try and relax and really try to enjoy the market, you know what I mean? Enjoy the market, you know. Let's not try to wreck our accounts. You know, slow down, lower size. It's all about managing your risk, and this is what it's all about for the month of January for me. For me, it's all about managing my risk in this month. This month is not trying to become a hero. Like, I'm not interested in trying to make. I mean, honestly, I will not care if I don't make any payouts. But unfortunately, I've already done that. I don't know if you guys seen, but I've already got some payouts already, which is I don't know. Apex, $2,300, $1,100, another one Apex. Yeah, and by the way, these already hit my bank account. Like, they give you these states, but then they're that's like the worst. What do you call this? Worst case scenario dates, right? So that they are already in. They're really fast. Apex has been super duper fast on their payouts, by the way, man. Once it gets approved, it's instant. Incredible. Great job, Apex. Anyways, I've also got Take Profit Trader payout as well. These are hit my wallets. It's right in my pocket. So here we are, guys. All right. So the market kind of slowed down here. 406, 455. Let's take a look at the gold. NGC. Wow, man, the gold is pumping, guys. What is up with the gold? Does somebody get pissed? Guys, the gold is pumping like crazy. What did you guys do? Oh, what a beautiful looking bullish candle here. I'm trading my Take Profit Trader eval account, by the way. We're kind of like a bit overextended to the upside. Expect a little bit of a push down from that 82 area, maybe. Right? That's the level of a resistance that we're kind of looking at, right? That's a horizontal level of resistance we're looking at 82 area. We may try to pierce through. The RSI also overextended here, guys. 85 right now. So maybe we get a little bit of a pullback from that 80 to 90 area, right? Overextended RSI. Expect some kind of a little bit of a push down. A minor little pullback here before we try to move back higher again. The VWAP here at 67. Maybe get a little pullback into the 67s, maybe. We'll see, guys. We'll keep an eye on this market. I did that to Leon. Okay, so we're getting a nice little push in the gold, by the way. NQ is looking a little weak, right? Let's take a look at the silver. Silver getting a little bounce. Let's take a look at the crude oil here for a moment. The crude oil, well, the crude oil kind of found a little bit of a happy medium right there, right? A 50% retrace right in the middle. So I wouldn't want to be interested in trying to play the what do you call this? The crude oil, right? It's we got a little bit of a triangle and an indecisive candle right now. So that's a 50% retrace as well, right? So just keep in mind that's 50% right there, right? So I don't know if I want to be trading crude oil. I think the crude oil obviously got a nice little dip down, but then obviously found a way to get a little bit of a bounce, a footing, and sitting in that 57 right here, and that's 50% retrace. We'll see, guys, how this crude oil play out. For now, we got a very interesting market, guys. NQ trying to hold the gold, trying to get a nice little bounce. Like I said again, like I said again, guys, we're getting that little bit of a pullback in the gold. The expectation was we are a bit overextended to the upside from an RSI standpoint, sitting over 85 and hitting that major level of key resistance at 85-ish area. We're finding a little bit of a push down in the gold. What a nice call there. If you guys traded, if you guys shorted at the gold, great, fantastic job, guys. Kudos to y'all. All right, let's I will be trading. I will make obviously analysis on my gold and crude oil and really any instrument that really truly matters for this market. But I will try my level best not to trade any of these instruments, including crude oil, by the way. But that was to kind of test the water. What is up, everybody? Paul Verizer, Nova Trades. Everybody, welcome back. Just still right in the house. What up, brother? Yeah, I'm so stoked, man. I'm absolutely stoked. I'm just so happy to see, to be able to trade back again. You know, we had a really slow. You obviously, you guys know, like the last 2 weeks was really slow, crazy. Right. I mean, as much as we wanted to trade, the market was just not there. Other than, I guess, silver and gold. And obviously, you know, I'm not really good at trading gold and silver. So, not really meaningful for StockTiger. So, last couple of weeks was really boring, man. I'll tell you that much. Oh, my. And we are back here, guys. New start, new year, right? So, yeah, I think we're going to start to see some really nice volatility stepping in right into January, guys. I don't think this market is going to kind of wait. We got some events this week, as you guys have maybe already noticed. We got some events. I think it's the unemployment rate, which obviously does matter the most for obviously the Fed, right? So I think we are gonna start to see some big volatility. The market's gonna definitely respond and move based on what sort of a result that we get from these events, right? Not just Venezuela, but obviously the unemployment rate, and we got some other stuff happening as well into January. I've got to take a deeper look at it, but it could be good, it could be bad, nobody knows. Anyways, for now, the crude oil, let's take a look at the crude oil. Getting a little bit of a choppy, so right here, right, it's kind of chopping, $57. NKD, or no, not NKD, forget about NKD for now, but the gold pulling back here a little bit, guys, and so we'll keep an eye on the overall market, guys. Overall market really trying to find a little bit of a footing here, guys. We held this level pretty nicely here at 410, and so this could be the little bit of a double bottom from a short-term time frame, so maybe get a little bit of a bounce. We'll see, guys, how we react at this level here at 430. We got a little bit of a support. Let's see if we kind of hold. I would like to see this thing break out of the 441, right? The initial high, 441. I'll try to go long from there, right?
Order
I'm gonna try and long from that area.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Right, that's what I'm gonna try and do.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'll try to go long from that. You know, a little bit of a confirmation. Long setup. From 445. We'll see, guys. I've placed my orders there already, right? So, all right, guys. Miroski in the house, man. Guys, miss you, man. Miss everybody. Miss you, though. Ti amo, everyone. ¿Cómo estás, everybody? ¿Cómo estás, man? All right, fellow traders, we are back here again. 20 minutes passed and already packed with action. Wow, what a beautiful Sunday night. Never disappointing. Yeah, this price action definitely seems a lot better than last couple weeks, guys. Incredible. I am stoked. Guys, I like this. I like this, guys.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
All right, so I'm going to have a hard stop here.
Order submitted. Order
I'm going to have a hard stop here.
Order
right?
submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
I'm going to have a hard stop here. I just kind of entered. I should have maybe waited for a confirmation. I guess. Maybe I'll try to do that right now. 1 second, guys. Yeah, StockTiger, just can't wait. Yeah, just be patient, StockTiger. Why in a rush? Let's see how this price play out, guys. Let's take a look at the gold here. In the meanwhile, we got a little bit of a bounce off that 70. All right, not as bad looking so far. Kind of feels like a minor little push down, right? A minor little pullback, kind of holding the support, the EMA as well. So we'll see. Gold not as negative, guys. 1 second,
Order filled.
taking one
filled.
down. Got 3 contracts here, guys. 3 contracts. What is up, man? Danilo. Oh, by the way, man. By the way, did I absolutely forget about our beautiful giveaway? Did StockTiger forget about it? Anyways, guys. Thank you, everybody. Yeah, I mean, last couple, I would say the last 3 weeks has been always, well, not always, but last couple of weeks has been so depressing. I wanted to trade, but I could not because this market would not give me a chance to trade. Anyways, guys, nice little trade here. We got a nice little bounce off that area, right? So that's good. You know, we're making something. Even though it's in the veil, we're still making something.
Order canceled.
Gary, what is up, man? Surge what? Gaming W. Thank you guys for being here. Love you guys, man. All right, so here we are, guys. We're hitting that resistance again. I wonder what this market is really going to do right at this level, guys. Are we going to pierce through that? It may. No, we have a better chance of a little bit of a bounce, guys. Right? A nice little get to the upside initial at the open. We're 1/4% up. We're well, sorry, not 1/4%. We're about 0.3% up with about $70 70 points up here in NQ, which is great. And the gold kind of chopping in that range. Let's take a look at the ES, kind of chopping as well. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin here for a moment. And the Bitcoin looks like it wants to fly to the Mars and not even to the moon, straight to Mars. On the Bitcoin here, guys, fellow traders, it is moving. And let's take a look at the crude oil. Crude oil, wow, crude oil actually got a bounce into the 38.2 Fibonacci and got a little bit of a rejection of the level, getting a little pullback into the $57. I do kind of expect the crude oil maybe to chop or maybe give us a little bit of a grind to the downside. I may be wrong, but that is my little bit of analysis there. Let's go back to the NQ here for a moment, guys. Let's see, guys. We are hitting that major level here. 456, 460 area is a major level. We're gonna pierce through that to give us that nice little continuation move to the upside on the NQ. Everybody, if you guys want to show some love, StockTiger, please not forget to smack the like, guys. Over 600 viewers right now with only about 80 likes. I wonder where all the love went. Evaporated. Where did it go, everybody? All right. I mean, I kind of like what I see here on the NQ. I'll be honest. Where did the love go, everybody? Where? So, yes, I mean, yeah. You know, let's not try to be a hero, guys. One step at a time. Like I said again, I think January is all about managing your risk, right? Trying to stay as disciplined as you could possibly do, right? So like trying to be consistent and I think managing your risk, and that's what I will be a little more of a trader who is going to try to observe the market, right? A lot more observation as to what this market really wants to do, right? And I think January month is going to kind of set a tone on where this market's going to go into the Feb and the March, right? So, and that's why I want to take it a little bit slow. Slow down a little bit, you know. I will trade obviously a little more aggressively on my eval accounts, but I mean, you know, take it a little slow and see where this market is really trying to get to. We had a nice little dumpage as we got into the new year. We got about 300 points dumpage, right? So was that dumpage merely just a profit taking? What was it all about? You know what I mean? We got to really try to figure that out. And so we'll see, guys. For now, you know, one step at a time, one session at a time. And for now, we are getting a little bit of a bounce in this market, guys. I've got 2 contracts here to the long side. I haven't taken my profit just yet, but I will. My stop here, I would probably say right underneath the VWAP. Actually, no, I lied. I'm gonna put a very tight stop on this, right? So I can.
Order submitted.
I don't really want to give back too much
Order
profits,
submitted.
right? So I'll leave it at 440-ish area, right? I'm gonna be looking for that little bit of a push. We are trying to break out right here, guys. Trying to break out of that 460. If we do that, I think we have a good chance of a bounce into the 500s. I might try to add to my position here. If we get a nice little breakout and a big bullish candle kind of forming, right? We'll see. I'd like to see a big, nice candle kind of form, and that would kind of give us something like this. And then I'll try to go long on a pullback, right? A little minor pullback here, and then maybe that will take us back higher. Higher! And back into the 490s, guys. We'll see. Or if my thesis, if you want to kind of invalidate that thesis, then we got to see ourselves pull back here into back underneath the 440, and we got the VWAP right at that level too. So yeah, how many accounts do you have? I still have. Yeah, I was supposed to jot it down. Did not really get a chance to do that, but I probably have. I would say about. I didn't do the math, but 1 second, guys. I think I have about 34 accounts, 34 funded accounts. Not that many evals, to be honest, other than some combines. I've got some combines and I've got some I don't know, I can't remember. Oh yeah, I've got legend account. I bought the legend 150s, right? The 150 case legend accounts that I bought. So yeah, so I bought the legend 150 case. I don't know if you guys remember what I said a couple days ago. I closed my account that I bought. Pissed me off. I actually had a little conversation and I said, hey, listen, you know, I made a mistake, man. Just help me revive my account. And they said they can't. I'm like, you gotta be kidding. So I ended up closing a couple Bulonox evals. It's weird. I don't know how I ended up doing that, but I ended up closing some Bulonox evals, and I ended up closing some legend. And honestly, I don't really care too much when you close. Obviously, the Bulonox eval because it's only $16, but I closed my legend account, which I bought for like $126 per account. That's a 150k elite accounts that I bought, right? So anyways, it is what it is, you know. It's fine. Not really truly that concerned. Guys, we're getting a little pullback here, getting a little bit of weakness. I'm still holding though. I'm still holding. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade right here. I'll exit this trade right here, guys.
Order filled.
I'm gonna be looking for that little bit of a push down back into the VWAP. Yeah, so I ended up buying again, and because I already had couple already on my Rhythmic, so I ended up loading in some more on my Rhythmic accounts, and I've got like 4 or 5 accounts right now. So I will be trading those Rhythmic accounts on my Quant Tower, but I'll probably end up trading the silver, right? So we'll see what it goes. And I've got some combines as well I gotta trade. That will be obviously the NQ, because those are a bit pricey ones. We'll try to see, guys, if we could load in some more. I mean, try to pass a few more accounts to have this nice little beautiful looking say 40 funded accounts moving into the mid-January, guys. Yeah, I'd like to get to 40 accounts if I can, like 40 funded accounts. I think that's like a really nice sweet spot, right? So we'll see, guys. I mean, I'm working on it. As much as I really wanted to, the market in the last 3 weeks has not given us any chance of doing that, so. All right, guys. My mic is okay, I think. Why, do you see a little problem? Maybe it's just me. And I kept blaming it to my mic. I think it's fine now. Oh, the mic gain is too high. Okay. All right, so let's try to take a look. 450 here. Oh dear. Yeah, I've got to see, man. I've got to take a look at the mic, guys. Sorry. My apologies, everybody. Forgive me in the house. All right, gold. Let's take a look at the gold, guys. Getting a little pullback here down. All right, guys. NQ getting a little bit of a pullback here down. The crude oil. Let's take a look at the crude oil, guys. Oh my God, crude oil. Crude oil. Looks like it wants to dump. The crude oil trying to get back into the 50% retrace here, back into the VWAP. Let's see, guys. I did that little quickie trade here. I went in 56.6, took my profit at 0.70. So looks well, this NQ looking well. We better really get a bounce and try to get over 460, because right now it doesn't really seem like it wants to squeeze. So gotta be a little bit careful here, guys. Not looking too mucho bullish here. You guys are the best. Thank you guys once again for being here. I'm gonna go ahead and do the giveaway. Just 1 second, guys. Yeah, we'll do, guys. Apex promo ends, I think, in a day or two. I think on the 6th, and if I'm wrong, in 2 more days, guys, we'll do a beautiful Apex account giveaway with that's max 300k account, right? So it's up to, it's at your discretion which account you want to use, and then we'll do our Apex account giveaway right now, guys. Type in !Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate, guys. I'm gonna resume the entries. Good luck, everybody. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. Just type in !Tiger and show some love. Smack the like, guys. Do not be greedy. Show some love, everybody. The love. Let's go. All right, guys. 458. Yeah, oh, what happened to my chart on the right hand side? I got a little too overexcited here, guys. All right, so here we are, guys. Gold. Let's take a look at the gold. The gold pulling back. It looks like the gold wants to pull back a little more, but I don't know, man. Silver trying to get a pullback here as well. So far the NQ trying to hold. I don't know, man. Let's try to short gold here.
Order filled.
Guys, let's try to show gold.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
On my
submitted.
eval account, my hard stop
Order.
here.
Order filled.
My hard stop here would be right in that 67. So that's literally about 5 points. I'm gonna look for that quick key move down if you can.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Ooh. Yeah, I've got 4 contracts now. All right, fellow traders, we are here. I'm short gold, and I am gonna look to trade the NQ right after I'm done trading the gold. Just trying to see. Maybe try to retest the low here. The gold, trying to get a little bit of a bounce. Once again, thank you guys for being here, guys. A beautiful Sunday night. The market seems to be very volatile, right? I mean, considering being a Globex Asia, I think the market definitely is very volatile across the board. It's not just the NQ, but I think the gold, silver, and everything else seems to be moving pretty nicely. So, oh my God, look at StockTiger getting stoked, getting broke, trading gold. Once again, I took one off the table early. I've got 4 contracts. I'm holding still. Actually, I'm on a 15-minute chart on the right hand side, by the way. Oh, 1 second, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. Moment of silence as StockTiger tries to navigate through the trade in the gold. Getting a little bit of turbulence, guys. Down quite a lot, guys, and getting absolutely beat up. The gold. Let's try to take a look. From that gap to fill. Yeah, I'm still holding. Yeah, down quite a lot, about a little less than $400, but incredible mochaccino, guys. Seems like a nice little balance, right? That's a bullish wick that we are getting. Are we gonna squeeze back up? Is that what it is? Wow, incredible, man. Yeah, that's 10 micro. I've got 10 micro at this trade right now. I'm still trying to be a little patient, guys. I will exit my trade. I'll
Order
place a hard
submitted.
stop here, guys. Place a hard stop. Well, I kind of expected the market to kind of stay neutral, even though we had a, well, it was not a full, like, you know, I wouldn't even want to call that a war. It was kind of like a happening, like a small little event that kind of took place in the weekend, and it's done, right? It's done now. And unless we get a full-blown attack, I honestly, I don't know. I don't know how that's gonna really rattle the market, but who knows what this market's gonna do. All right, fellow traders, here we are, guys. I just have to stay a little patient, try to gauge what this market really wants to do, and try to stick to the game plan here. I've got a hard stop here at 75 because I think that's gonna be a bullish wick that we are gonna be getting, a bullish hammer. And so as soon as we get the bullish hammer, guys, I will exit my trade. So let's see, guys, I'm keeping an eye on the NQ as I am trying to navigate through my trade on gold as well. So we'll see, guys, see what happens here. Thank you guys once again for being here. Thank you, everybody. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I suck with gold. Yeah, we all know, guys. It's not a rocket science. We've been, yeah, for the last 6 months. but at least something's changed. I try to manage my risk, right? Trading gold as well, so I'm not gonna allow or tolerate myself like blowing accounts through gold anymore. There's something that I'm gonna really try my level best to stay away from. So if I don't, well, anyways, guys, here 43.70. Let's see how this gold it kind of plays out right here. And I said, okay, well, if we try to pop over 75, that's the bullish hammer candle on a 15-minute chart, which is fine. So I will exit my trade right there. I've got a hard stop, so let's try to see. Yeah, definitely the gold is definitely not forgiving, guys, man. Incredible. Yeah, I'm trying to refrain myself adding to a position, especially with gold, right? Especially with gold. So that's why, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've got 10 contracts here. I did DCA initially, but then I'm like leaving it as is, right? Because if this market, if this gold truly wants to give us a pullback, it will pull back not just into my entry, but it's gonna pull back all the way back down into the 50% retrace. So we'll see. We just created a new candle on a 15-minute chart on the gold, and we are getting a little bit of a grind pullback here down on the NQ, which kind of expected. But we'll see, guys, man. The gold. We got a new candle now on a 15-minute chart, so I think it's gonna be important to see how this kind of play out. The last thing I'd like to see is this thing get over 74. All right, man. We are getting a pullback here in the NQ, and we are getting a little bounce in the gold. Oh man, what a waste of time, guys. I heard you're not allowed to hedge on evals anymore on Take Profit Trader as well. So I don't know. I could have showed it NQ earlier. I didn't do that because I didn't want to make it sound like we are hedging, right? So I don't have multiple trades anymore, which obviously I never really did that in the past. But God, man, 1 second, guys, we are getting a little bit of a bounce. Incredible. Yeah, this gold is never disappointing, guys. We are getting a nice little push, and I'm down. Incredible. Actually, you know what? I am gonna try and place my stop here at 77. I want to give myself just a little bit more room, right? A little bit more room into the 77, right? And that's where it's gonna be like a confirmation that we are going to truly get a bounce in the gold. So I'm gonna place my hard stop here at 77. Look for that little bit of a rejection of that 75. Let's see, guys. Let's see what this market does. The NQ pulling back here, grinding to the downside, back into the 418, guys. It may try to retest the low here at 405. Incredible. Guys, man, look at this gold. It's just pumping. Incredible. The gold is up. How much again? 1%. I think it's gonna, well, it could pretty much stop me out. One little pop is gonna just stop me out, and then we are capito. Yeah, I can't believe I just gave literally all the profits back in gold. Yep, I've got a hard stop, so I think if it stuffed me out, I'll be down about $1,000, and I already made $2 somewhat dollars, so I'll be net about $800 down. See, guys, it looks like we are trying to get a bounce in the gold, unfortunately. Yeah. I know. Yeah, I keep saying, yeah, I know. Alright, guys, I think it's gonna stop me out. Oh my god.
Stop filled.
Fuck. Incredible.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Wait, is there something I can break? Do I have something? How about this bad boy? All right. Come down, StockTiger. Come down. Come down, StockTiger, please. All right, guys, back again. We are back again, guys. Yeah, that monitor that I have here, that's pretty expensive, man. And that's the 4K. That's the 4K I bought on the Christmas. I think I paid about like how much did I pay? I think I paid about 300 something. No, it's not OLED. It's just 4K. Yeah, it was a good monitor. Yeah, but it's a portable monitor I bought. It's like a it was a 17-inch, I think. All right, man. I've got some work to do now. Right? We gotta get it back, don't we? We gotta get it back, StockTiger. You're not gonna give up. You know, it's Yeah, I didn't really necessarily break anything. But I do have a lot of cracks still on my phone, like on my phone. Anyways, guys, 440 here. Yeah, pillow, yeah. Trading right after holiday break can be tricky. Yeah, the market's kind of digesting, you know. Let's try to take it easy, you know. I don't, like, obviously, like I said again, I'm not looking for that home run trade today. Not looking for something crazy here tonight. But the market seems like it wants to get a bounce. Like both NQ and gold try to get a bounce here, guys. So I don't know, man. And the crude oil getting a bounce as well. Look at that crude oil. Oh wow, man. The Bitcoin getting a nice beautiful bounce. We may get a nice little bull flag here kind of forming. Let's see. Wow, not a bad looking chart here overall, guys. The market looking pretty good. Bitcoin getting a bounce, crude getting a little bounce. I don't know if the crude oil bounce. Well, actually, you know what? I lied. Crude oil actually looks pretty good to the upside. We'll see, guys. Keep an eye on the crude oil, but looking pretty good so far, guys. I don't know what you guys see in the crude oil, but crude oil seems like it wants to keep pushing. All right, back into the NKD. NKD, well, nothing there in NKD, but incredible. Wow, man, look at this gold, guys. Incredible mochaccino. Fucking screw gold. Universal vibe in the house. What is up, man? Guys, don't forget to type in exclamation tiger. Right? Apex account giveaway. They're 90% off. Still runs right now into the 6th. So we have 2 more days for Apex 90%. Take profit trader 40% off. I've shared my top 6 PROPFIRM deals that we have right now. Okay. And I've included Legend trading as well with the 45% off. That gives you $126 all in, 150k account. All right, back here, guys. The NQ trying to get a nice little bounce, but I do not want to be long at this level, right? And obviously, purely because we are kind of overextended to the upside. So I'm gonna be looking for that little bit of a pullback, maybe into the next level of support, and that could be somewhere in that 430s. Right, 430s. Right, I'm gonna look for that pullback into the 430s, guys, and maybe that could take us back higher again, and maybe get back into 490. We talked about the 490, which would be right up here, right? 490 is the next level of resistance. That would be actually 490 to 500 area now. We'll see, guys. So far, not looking too bad. You know, it's a nice looking chart. Right, it's a nice looking chart. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. 450, yes. Let's go, guys, man. Did everybody bank? How's everybody doing it today, guys? Tonight. London session. We'll wait till London session to check. Yeah, that's a good idea. Definitely a good idea, bro. Crude oil isn't supposed to sell. Well, crude oil could sell, but at the same time, I mean, we get a little bit of a squeeze in the crude oil. What do you call this? The supply issue, right? We may have a little bit of supply constraints due to Venezuela not stepping down, right? You see, we had some, what do you call this, statements coming from the military in Venezuela, right, responding back to DT, right? So they're not willing to give up. And so what does that mean? It doesn't seem like someone else has a control over their oil. What does that mean again? A supply constraint maybe, and that's why we're getting a little bit of a pump in this crude oil. I may be wrong, but I think that's what I'm kind of gauging. But we'll see, guys. We could get a nice little pump here in the crude oil. Nobody knows. For now, the chart, the technicals are heading a bit higher on the crude oil. We'll see, guys. We'll keep an eye on this. We're back above. We may try to retest the high here at 57.5. The gold, well, gold. Yeah, but I'm not. Yeah, I mean, I used to get really mad when I get into a losing trade trading gold, but I want to try my level best to not go mad, right? If I'm down in gold, but the last thing I want to do is get pissed and wreck more trades. All right, so here NQ trying to get a nice little bounce, 450. We have a nice little support here, kind of in that 430s, right? As you guys can see, that little trend line support waiting there, right? So we'll see, guys. And what else? Not a bad looking chart, to be honest. 500 area. We could see this market try to get a bounce back into 500 area, to be honest. 490 to 500, I would say. Silver is now up 42%, really. Holy mochaccino, man. This is unreal, guys. Oh, I mean, everything's just pushing higher, guys. Silver pushing the metal instruments, pushing higher. The crude oil pushing higher as well. NKD pushing higher as well. The gold pushing higher. What else is pushing down? Nothing. The Bitcoin kind of holding, consolidating in that range, but we're getting a nice little bull flag kind of forming on the Bitcoin. NQ. Oh man, look at the silver, man. This is an incredible. Nice little push. Wow. I don't know, man. Nice looking trade. Is anybody trading silver by any chance? Anybody trading silver here? Or are you guys staying away from trading silver? Oh yeah, by the way, we got 2 more minutes for Tokyo. I completely forgot about Tokyo. Thank you for reminding me, and thank you for letting me know that Tokyo is open in about 2 minutes. All right, we're gonna have to wait and see. I'll wait for Tokyo. Let's try to see. We'll try to react. All right, we'll try to react to the open. Silver is dangerous. Yeah, we all know that. Super duper dangerous, everybody. Silver is like the most dangerous animal. Happy New Year, born to win, and Happy New Year to everybody. If I did not get a chance to... Oh man, guys, hold on one second. 460, we get a little nice little bounce. Oh man, I'm really trying to look for something to trade nicely here. Hold on, guys. We are... Oh, we got Tokyo open now, guys. Let's quickly take a look and see overall market, guys. MNQ trying to get a bounce off the Tokyo. The gold holding, silver holding. Let's take a look at the crude oil here. Crude oil holding, guys. Everything's kind of holding. Everything's kind of holding, guys. It was holding. NQ trying to get a little pullback here, guys. I should try to...
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh my god. That's a nice little bullish pattern. Yes, I'm short right now on the NQ. Looks like that's a mistake. All right, I'll exit that trade.
Order filled.
I'll exit that trade, guys. Let's try to look for a better setup if I can. Silver. Wow. I'm kind of stuck. CES Vegas conference, expect a big NQ push up today. Oh, we have a CES. All right, yeah, I mean, we already got a nice little squeeze here, and that kind of gave us 60 points bounce on NQ. The silver's trying to get a bounce, but I mean, the gold consolidating, man, it's really hard to kind of play this market now, right? Maybe it's a great thing that I kind of tested the water with the Nivelle account, but wow, the silver, man, it's a monster. I mean, we've been talking about silver right in that area here. Yeah, and then obviously the market obviously yeah. We got a nice push up to here from that level, which obviously we could have maybe gone long right at that level too. Incredible. What a huge bounce in the silver, guys. Yeah, man, it looks pretty good. The reason why I exited my trade there because we are kind of clear path. We got above all the EMAs in that 200 tick chart. We got above the VWAP on a 1 hour chart, on a longer time frame, if you will, and we're getting a nice little bullish hammer. And the next level, we just kind of cleared out of this major level of resistance, right? Kind of make me believe that we could get a bounce back into the 500. This is what we've been talking about, 490 to 500 area. And yeah, just something like maybe this is what I'm kind of looking at the market. And this is what I've been calling out, but then obviously I ended up trying to go short because I wanted to look for that quick push down, you know, but obviously that was a mistake. So so I'm here right now looking for another setup. Let's see if we get a little pullback here so I can kind of try to go long. Oh, sorry. If you guys are up, great, man. Great stuff. That's kudos to you for doing a great job, everybody. And yeah, by the way, thank you guys for being here, you know, like every day. By the way, if you guys are new to the stream, I go live every day, Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. And of course, you guys know I go live in the mornings as well. Go live in the mornings as well, minimum twice a week, guys. In the morning at about 10:30 a.m. in the morning, guys, Eastern time as well. So don't forget to hit that notification bell to always get notified every time StockTiger goes live, both in the morning and Globex. But I go live Globex Asia every single night, guys. Love to see you guys every day. And don't forget to smack the like, everybody, if you guys want to show some love. All right, fellow traders, 470 here. Yeah, I'm down. I was up to $300 and then I got down to $1,000, which is great. And keep pulling back. And gold trying to get a nice little bull flag confirmation. We'll see, guys, if we actually get a nice little break to the upside on gold. Silver getting a nice little bull flag. I don't know, man. We're getting a little pullback on the NQ finally. Incredible. Well, I'm gonna try and short the NQ. I was kind of looking for that little pullback here back into the
Order submitted.
I'll try to short there.
Order submitted.
Try to take my profit at the VWAP. Yeah, most probably I will be trading my legend accounts that I bought, the 150k accounts. It's up for $126, so I'm gonna be trading those. I want to get to like 5 funded accounts with legend too. So nice little accounts. Prices are pretty good too. So let's see, guys. I'll take it off. Yeah, so Tokyo is open now, right? Tokyo is open, and the market not a well, yeah, there we go, guys. We got a nice little breakout on a Bitcoin. We got a nice little squeeze into the 650, getting a little pullback down. Still overall looking pretty bullish on the Bitcoin. The crude oil kind of getting rejection off that previous high. Well, did not really quite get there, but pretty close. Discord not working. Hold on 1 second, guys. My Discord link. Not a great start to the week, but it's okay. I'm still content. I'm still very content. Absolutely, guys. My Discord link is shared on the chat. Happy New Year to everybody. And Mr. Raj is in the house, man. Happy New Year, brother, man. Where the heck were ya? Shaker trades, Lucid, Good Tiger. I think it's probably one of the better ones we have right now. Lucid Flex accounts setting it for about $80. I think definitely one of the better ones, right? One of the better ones. You don't have a deal anymore on those Flex accounts as well, so it's pretty good. Yeah, I think Take Profit Trader, Lucid, and Tradify, all of these are kind of like all relatively similar. Obviously, for me, my number one, not by far anymore. I would say the top 2 would be Apex and Take Profit Trader, and then my tier 2 would be Lucid, Tradify, and the Fund Futures Network, and the Legend accounts. Right, so that's where we are kind of standing as we speak. We are getting a little bit of a squeeze in the gold, guys. The gold eventually wants to get a bounce, man. We are getting that little breakout, guys. Is anybody trading gold? Oh man, this gold looks absolutely like a monster. Trying to get a squeeze. I just can't. I would love to kind of trade gold at this moment because it honestly looks like the best instrument to kind of trade. But I'm like, it's yeah. It's, you know, it's soon as StockTiger try to get in, I'll be like, you know, soon as I go, the market's already down. I don't know. Well. All right. Yeah, I would love to be that number one silver trader. Number one silver trader. I think if you are really good at trading silver, you could probably bank a lot, especially with accounts with no consistency. I don't know what this is gonna be. Yeah, it could be take profit trader, right? Take profit trader, no consistency. Or it could be the top step as well. I don't know. Pretty wild to say. The silver trying to get a nice little pop here as well. So gold looking still sharp. NQ looks like it wants to get a little bit of a well. Oh man, I would love to short this bad boy right now. Wasn't I shorting NQ? I was shorting NQ, by the way, and I obviously ended up exiting my trade because we were getting a little pop. Your take profit trader $43.91 for $3,000. Denny J Cruz, holy mochino, man, you are super duper. Congrats, man! Everybody doing a great job here today. If you're doing great, kudos to you, man. You guys are doing a really good job. If you're not doing that great, let's not try to chase the market, right? Not trying to make things even worse. What does Apex offer better than Tradify? It's just your personal preference as well, brother. I mean, they all have different pros and cons, right? Apex, one of the bigger ones, is obviously you have the 20 accounts you can trade. If you're a copy trader, the 20 accounts obviously in one firm really plays handy, right? And yeah, Tradify has a great live program, and I think a lot of our traders on our Discord can also agree to that. But so that's what I said. Every firm has different pros and cons. But for me though, like I prefer the Apex and Tech Profit Trader the most. For now, Tiger, is it hard to make it up with end of day? Honestly, it doesn't really. I mean, you guys know, last month I got paid the most through Apex. Is that a coincidence? No. I've done that many times over and over again. But think about it. It's trailing drawdown, Apex, versus everything else is end of day, right? So it's. I don't think it's as complicated, to be honest. You know, the trading drawdown, just have to do it a little differently. And you know, just keep in mind, you also have 30% consistency rule with Apex, so you will eventually have to take some profits off the table as the market goes, you know, on your favor. So you're gonna have to peel profits, right? Because you only have 30% that you're gonna have to stick to, right? So peel profits as it's going your way, you know what I mean? And that's how it's gonna play out with Apex accounts. And you have 20 accounts that you can trade all at the same time, so that's where. But again, it's trading drawdown. It's not as difficult as what people really sound like. You know, it's you know, a lot of traders, you guys know, Apex does pay the most at the end of the day. So all right, guys, we're getting a nice little squeeze back higher. Oh man, look at this mochaccino bounce. It's like a rocket launcher. SpaceX trying to get a little bounce. Yeah, Apex is 30% consistency rule on your funded accounts, but on evals it's 1 day to pass with no consistency rule whatsoever. There's absolutely no rule on your Apex eval accounts. 1 day to pass, boom, 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 and then once you get to the funded stage, it's 30% consistency. Yes, I said again, I have about I think I have between 30 to 35 accounts, maybe about 32. So about 32 accounts I have overall, my funded accounts, and I am going to still, I haven't given up on yet. I am still working towards my goal of having about 40 accounts, right? Are we far off? Not really. We're getting pretty close to that. So all I really have to do is get my legend 150k accounts to pass, and I'll do that through trading silver. And my combines, if I pass my combines, then I have a chance to get another 4, let's say 3 or 4 combines to pass, and maybe 3 or 4 legend to pass, and that's gonna get me to 40 accounts, 40 funded accounts. And I've already got 1,000, 3, 4. I think I'm already at about $4,000 to $5,000 of payout already for the month of January, and we only about a few days past this month, so we still have a long ways to go, a lot of days to trade, and I've got a lot of accounts with about buffer, right? So I think we may, this month could turn out to be a very meaningful month for StockTiger. We'll have to wait and see. A lot of things can change along the way. You guys know there are days where I got cooked pretty hard, right? But let's see if things work out for the month of January. I haven't set my target yet. I did not get a chance to take a look at those numbers, but I have a number in mind that I like to get to for the month of January. We'll try to see. All right, guys, we're hitting that major level. Well, not a major level, but man, look at this, man. I keep waiting, and the market keeps going. It could be. I'm not sure. I mean, I'll try to get to 40k for the month of Jan. We'll see. My target would be I was kind of thinking about 50, but I mean, probably I would say 40. We'll start off with the 40. Let's start the month of January with a big bang, right? Let's try to get over 40k right off the bat. Boom. Let's kick it. We have some traders on our Discord right now already got so much buffer on their accounts. So 100% of my accounts right now, it's at with 50k accounts, right? I don't have any accounts other than 50k accounts on a funded stage. Yeah, exactly. Take a look, man. We got Dan Ammons, $22,000. If Dan Ammons takes that $22,000 right now, he's already up $22,000, and probably spent only a very marginal fraction of that, right? So that's what I'm saying. I'm just not patient enough to kind of hold on to my 150k accounts, and that's why I like to stick to the 50ks, right? And I've gotten a lot more payouts using 50k accounts, especially with Take Profit Trader, for example. All right, guys. The market obviously kind of slowed down here a little bit. 478, and the gold trying to get a bounce 93. Yeah, I like to, man. I mean, it's kind of a little late for StockTiger to get into a trade now, right? I mean, the gold obviously pushing really nicely here. And the NQ is already up there as well. The silver, obviously, I would imagine. Wow, look at that silver, guys! Incredible. Anybody freaking trading this? Yeah. So if you get denied on Apex due to whatever reason it may be, all you really have to do is trade for another 8 more days, right? None of your profits are gone at this point. All you really have to do is trade for another 8 days, and you should be golden. Why don't you buy GC? What does that mean? Why don't you buy GC? What do you mean? Oh, why don't you go trade GC? Because it's already up there. Like it's already overextended here. I mean, I'm trying to get into a trade right now. It's almost kind of feels like I'm chasing. So I mean, technically, I should have gone long right at that low. What a mistake! Yeah, what a mistake. That would have been my beautiful chance of getting into a long trade. Instead, I went short. I don't know. StockTiger's not doing okay right now. The MQ, the risk reward is not there right now on the MQ. Let's take a look at the silver. Silver looking pretty nice here, man. It looks like the silver wants to maybe try to squeeze, but a small little mistake on silver. If I try to get into a silver trade right now, this account's gonna get cooked pretty quickly. So that's why I only have $950 of drawdown. So yeah, I mean, Robert, Seed, all you have to do is trade for another 8 days, and the profits that you have already made, it's still there, right? So, and keep in mind, if you guys are kind of struggling to pass an account, then obviously the best approach is to trade the Apex 90% off at this point, right? The Bulanox is another one, but the activation is 148. Ugh, yeah, it's a bit pricey. Yeah, I'm looking for a setup. So Apex evals have no consistency rule. It's 1 day to pass with no consistency rule. Everybody, welcome back, guys. One second, everybody. I am trying to look for that one trade that I can kind of get into, and that would kind of potentially give me a chance. But NQ looks like it wants to pull back, but again, we could get a bounce. So I'm like, you know, just not sure right now at this point. You know what to pass? Apex is probably the easiest one to pass, by the way. I think it's probably the easiest one to pass, to be honest, yeah. All right, so here we are, guys. 466 here in NQ. I'm looking for that one trade that I can kind of get into and try to see if I can actually get about $500 of profit on one single trade. But Just not getting any of that sort of a conviction at the moment. We're getting a little bit of a bull flag here on the Bitcoin. Is anybody trading something? Anybody trading something? By the way, guys, we've got Apex account giveaway happening here today. Type in exclamation tiger to give yourself a chance to participate. Number one, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. We've got over 700 viewers right now today, guys. I thank you so much, all of you guys. Without you guys, obviously this live stream does not exist. This channel does not exist, guys, without you, fellow traders, and your support to the stream as well. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here tonight. I hope you all having a great Sunday night afternoon, and I hope all of you are having a great trading session as well. It's a little bit of a warm up into tomorrow morning, guys. A little bit of a warm up. And this market is silly. Holy man, look at that gold. It's just, I don't know, man. Oh my god. I mean, on hindsight, I would have easily closed my eyes and just go long gold, but is it that easy? I don't know, man. I mean, tell me you guys locked. Oh my god, look at that silver, man. You've got to be kidding. Silver, fellow traders. I don't even know what to do now, man. I don't even know what to do, man. I want to. Oh my god. Should I try to long this and try to, well, try to tilt? I don't know, man. I don't know what to do here. I'm a bit lost. I'm a bit lost here. I want to long this bad boy, but I mean, I don't really have a lot of drawdown, right? I only have 950, so the risk reward is definitely there, but I mean, just don't have the wiggle room, if you will. So I don't know if this is a good idea. Is anybody shorting or long gold or silver here right now? Anybody? Let's take a look to see what you guys are actually thinking right now. You know how this is gonna end. That's right, man. I'm yeah, StockTiger. Yeah, exactly, man. Man, honestly, hey guys, I love you guys, man. You guys are really awesome, you know. Like, you guys telling me StockTiger, shut the F up, you know, do not trade gold and do not trade silver. Do not tilt, you know, all of these are really truly very important, you know. I really appreciate it, guys. I really appreciate it, everybody. Obviously, I'm a human. I do get tempted to trade, but unfortunately, every time I try to get into the gold trade, StockTiger obviously in trouble. Yeah. Oh my god, you're long, Siba. Brandon, you're no, because I'm Brandon. Serial, set the micro silver for 10 seconds. Your blood pressure rose. Yeah, guys, man. Hey, guys, don't pressure your blood pressure, guys. Don't pump your blood pressure right now. Not a perfect time to do that on a Sunday night. Give that little bit of a juice into tomorrow. New York tomorrow, guys, man. We got a long way to go tomorrow, right? Let's yeah. All right, so here we go, guys, man. 74.6. You know, the thing is, as much as I want to try to short this bad boy for a quick scalp, I kind of feel like it's gonna pop and just destroy my account. Who else do we have here? Japan is already open now. Japan's already open. It's already done. Japan's done, guys. What are you guys talking about? Japan's already gone. Nippon is already done, guys. Fellow traders, Nippon is gone. Now we are maybe Sydney or China. I'm not sure which one's gonna be. Is it Japan or sorry, not Japan. Japan's already open, guys, man. Come on. Japan's already open. It's already done. Japan's already gone. It's already gone. I'm kind of thinking maybe it's Hong Kong. Maybe it's Hong Kong next in line, or maybe China. I'm not really sure. I don't really pay attention to Hong Kong, China, and Sydney, for example. like the most. Even Tokyo, I kind of tend to forget a lot of cases, but guys, man, we keep constantly hitting a new high here today, man, on gold. I mean, I don't even know what to tell you. It's pretty incredible. We are witnessing that little squeeze here on the gold and the silver, pumping 6% here. I don't know, man. Jeez.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order
Order
found.
filled.
Holy mochaccino, man. It's unreal. Did you guys see that? Me trading silver? Did you guys see me trade silver there? Oh my god. I am not sure. Oh my god, this is so tempting to go freaking long on the silver, man. Look at this silver. Keeps going. Can you guys believe this? Silver only up 6%, nearly 6%. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm gonna try and short this bad boy right here. Oh yeah. Let's try to. Yeah, maybe it's a wrong idea. I'm not sure.
Canceled.
Oh my god. I have no idea. Wow, look at that pullback here in silver, man. Yeah, I'm just a little concerned, obviously, because one little move. Yeah, I mean, I've got to get a momentum move on silver, right? I can't afford to. I've got to ride the momentum on silver. That's what I've got to do. If I don't do that, then I'm gonna get cooked pretty hard, right? So I've only got $1,100 drawdown. Maybe I have a better chance of trying to short gold. Maybe now it's gonna get a little too late. Maybe I don't know. I'll try to short gold here, guys. Let's try to see.
Order
filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm short gold.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I mean.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
we'll see, guys.
submitted.
I'm short gold, guys. Maybe we hit the ceiling here, a short-term ceiling here, guys, at the $4,400 is where we kind of hit. That could be a little bit of a short-term ceiling, if you will. Let's try to expect to see a little pullback here in the gold. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. It could be wrong. Absolutely. I've been wrong pretty often on trading gold. You guys know that. Yeah. All right, guys. Here I am, back again. StockTiger is back. Back again. 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 Oh, God. $44, man. Well, great job, StockTiger. You're such an amazing trader. Incredible, StockTiger. What a beautiful, amazing trader, man. Back in the 4,400 on the gold. Wow, amazing, guys. Woo, baby, let's go. Bring it on, man. Bring it on. Let's go.
Order filled.
Order filled.
StockTiger's back. Back again. Back again. Back again. Back again. Back again. Yeah, I'm having a little bit of a rough afternoon here for sure. Absolutely incredible StockTiger.
Order submitted.
I've got about 10 funded accounts with Apex on Rhythmic. Yeah, so I think I've got about 10 funded accounts on my Rhythmic that I use Quant Tower to trade off. And I've got I think I've got I still have 3 Phidias 25k static accounts. That's the Val ones that haven't been trading. And then I also have 4 Legend 150k accounts. That's the Eval, right? So the funded accounts are just the Apex ones that I have on my Rhythmic. Oh, you cannot switch to. Oh, yeah, man. I mean, that's. I don't think that's a no-go. Like if you made a mistake. Instead of going with Rhythmic, if you went with Tradevate, I don't think they're gonna fix that, unfortunately. Give it a try though. I mean, it doesn't cost you anything to give it a try. God, man, this gold. I mean, after knocking me out, it's getting a bounce. Incredible. Yeah, I don't think they're gonna allow you to switch though. I don't think that's the case. All right, fellow traders, type in !Tiger, obviously to give yourself a chance to participate on our giveaway. And don't forget to smack the like, guys, as well. If you guys want to support the stream, thank you guys, everybody, for your support. And thank you guys for being here on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. Not having the greatest day, but well, I'll try to make a little bit of a comeback here. Oh my, fuck, my God. Oh my God, gold! Guys, man, incredible. Great, man, great freaking gold. It's like the gold and the silver plates is so hard to get. You know what I mean? Incredible. StockTiger plays. It's so hard to get. Oh my God, that would have been a beautiful trade. Of course, I would have gotten something out of this for sure. But of course, I was just kind of waiting, right? Looking for that one move. All right, so let's take a look at the silver here. RSI kind of sitting right in the middle of 55. Silver sitting at 74.85. We're kind of a bit overextended to the upside. Right, we got a nice little support kind of hanging on that 74.7. I wonder what it's gonna do from here. I'm looking for that quick scalp, but I mean, I don't know if this market is gonna give me the chance to do that. Yeah, it's obviously tough to trade Globex Asia, guys. I mean, it's tough. It's not easy. That's why we have to be, we have to be careful. Yeah, I mean, lately I've not been that great with trading Globex Asia. I've been a lot better. I mean, don't get me wrong. I still blow accounts, New York, right? But I mean, I do I tend to get a lot more green trades, right? Trading in the morning, much more green trades. So let's say if I blow 1 or 2 accounts in the morning, and if I blow 1 or 2 accounts during Globex Asia, I would have like 15 to 20 green trades in the morning, compared to maybe 2 or 3 green trades during Globex Asia, right? Because obviously the Globex Asia is going to present you with only that much to kind of get you to better setup. And anyways, guys, we're going to pull back here, 74.7. Pulling back here. Oh man, I am so tempted. God, I'm so tempted, guys.
Order submitted.
It's too late now, but I was so tempted here, but I don't know. Any bounce in the silver, obviously gonna be in trouble, so I'm gonna have to. Let's try to see if we get a. Oh man, let's try to see if I can get a little bit of a bounce here. Don't want to do that.
Canceled.
Yeah, I kind of walked away. I was thinking, but I didn't do that. Yeah, it's so difficult to find the entry, right? Trading silver and gold, like especially with silver, you have zero tolerance, right? So if you are obviously if you're on the wrong side right off the bat, you're gonna lose your account. So I mean, I'm not afraid to lose account. I mean, it's fine, right? But I mean, I'm gonna have to try. I'm gonna try to save. That's why I cannot just blindly, well, not blindly, I mean, just it's harder to execute an order in silver because there's zero tolerance, right, to your trades. I would never trade my funded accounts with gold and silver, and that's for sure. So just keep that in perspective, right? The maximum risk that I am taking trading silver would be an eval account, and that's it, right? I wouldn't trade. I haven't been trading silver with my funded accounts. There's no way. There's no way, guys. All right, so here we go. 74.67. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin here for a moment. But we get a nice little squeeze. Well, the NQ kind of held.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I went long here on NQ. Let's try to see if we get a little bit of a balance in the NQ, guys. I went long here. I like to kind of use this as a confirmation that we are off that support at 450s. We'll see, guys. Maybe I may have to wait. I don't know. We got a nice little support balance off that 430. Trying to retest the 480 here, guys. I'll try to take
Order
the profits
submitted.
off if I can.
Order
I'll have a hard
submitted.
stop right underneath the VWAP here at the 445, and look for that quick scalp if I can. Bounce into the 470. I don't know, just been a tough overall, guys, to trade this price action has been not easy. Yeah, not been easy, but trying. Yeah, not been a great session, but you know, I'll keep trying to get something out of this market using this one single account that I'm quite down with. We'll see. The head and shoulders pattern, Arianello. What, bearish head and shoulders or inverse head and shoulders? Which one is it? I don't know.
Order submitted.
I may have to port this
Order
to be
submitted.
honest. If we get a little pullback down, I will try to add to my long position here, and then go from there. I don't really have a lot of I only have $700 drawdown, so there's only so much you can kind of risk. But let's see if we can get a little bit of a bounce at least into the 470s. Man, look at that Bitcoin kind of getting a bounce. The crude oil, let's take a look, guys. The crude oil kind of chopping in that range after a nice little bounce. NKD, oh wow, NKD, everybody. NKD getting a bounce. NKD, look at the NKD bounce, guys. This stuff is just moving like crazy. I don't even know what to tell you guys, man. The gold, the silver kind of chopping. The NKD is the one that's moving like crazy, guys. Holy mochino, this bounce is unreal. Bounce is unreal, everybody. Look at this. Wow, NKD. I've got NKD on the right hand side, and that's a 30-minute chart. 1.5% to the upside. And meanwhile, look at this NQ, man. God, I really had to find a perfect entry with the perfect instrument right at perfect time, while everything else is kind of moving. I'm sitting here right now.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
No, don't do that. StockTiger.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Order filled. Order filled.
No, let's get out StockTiger now.
Order.
That's a good
Order
idea.
filled.
I just need like couple good trades. Just couple good trades, man. That's really all I need right now.
Order submitted.
Trying to see if I can go long on silver. Yeah, man.
Order canceled.
Tough. No. I'm not in a trade with silver. I tried, but I kind of felt like maybe not a good idea. I'm just not having too much conviction right now overall. So yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean, Adrianello is spot on right now. I mean, I think there's too many fakes that's kind of trying to catch everybody off guard, and that's where I'm kind of going, okay, well, what do I want to do now? And that's where I'm kind of you know, $458. I mean, if we are, it's hard to get a
Order
small little
canceled.
bounce now.
Order canceled.
Now that I'm already I'm already in a trade. Maybe I should just try to man. I can't believe. It's incredible. Well, I'm long on NQ, but you know, it's like soon as I hopped on a long, the market, it's kind of chopping in that range. So not down as much, just down, but $130. But it could dump as well. The gold and NQ, sorry, the gold and silver looks a bit exhausted, right? I don't know if you guys see that, but we could see that little pullback here back into the 74.5 on the silver, and maybe the gold try to get back into 85, but I don't want to mess with this gold and silver for now. Incredible. The market, there is definitely that volatility here, guys. I mean, don't get me wrong, this market definitely is presenting with some sort of an opportunity. Not a clean setups though, you know what I mean? It's not clean, and that's where I'm kind of a little concerned about, right? But definitely poses with an opportunity here to trade, especially with an eval account. Maybe if you guys have to pass in a single day, maybe this could be a chance to do that with the silver. Oh my god, look at that bounce in silver, guys. Incredible mochaccino. Should I try to go hold on one second, guys.
Order
I'm gonna look for
filled.
that scalp, and I did
Order
that there.
canceled.
And let's try to see if I can actually do something out of this with the gold, sorry, with the silver here, guys, for a moment.
Order submitted.
All right,
Order
guys, man.
submitted.
Moment of truth, guys. StockTiger trading silver. I'm gonna try to look for maybe $300-400 a trade. I am not sure, man. I'm just 1 second, guys. The gold looking pretty good. Oh. Looking good. I don't wanna wait for all these moments together. I'm still kind of patiently waiting for some kind of a bounce or pullback here. Silver. Yeah, I did request some payouts early January. So I'm up about 40, maybe about a little over 45. Yeah, a little over $4,500 of payouts. Today's definitely not my day. Absolutely, I'm like just barely hanging on there with this account. But that could change with a nice little trade from silver if I can. But I'm just, you know what I mean? Like silver, zero tolerance, right? So if I get into the wrong side, immediately it's gonna get blown, right? You guys know that. So I'm really trying to look for that little bit of a momentum trade with silver. I mean, that's kind of doable, especially coming into the Globex Asia with silver. Obviously makes the big moves. We've already got like 5% move, guys, just during Globex Asia. NQ is kind of chopping in that range, but still overall NQ, guys, it's, I mean, guys, think about it. We already have that drawing here, right? This is the pattern, right? This is what I like to kind of look at all the time. On a larger time frame, we're gonna look at the horizontal support and resistance levels, right? And we have that major level of resistance right in that 460, right? 460 to 455 area. And we're kind of holding so far, but we are getting that indecisive doji candle right now. So we're going to have to wait and see. We're going to have to kind of hold this area we're at right now, 466. And if we can hold this level, which actually we are kind of looking like we are holding, by the way, right? On a Globex Asia standpoint. We know we are holding nicely, so we want to kind of keep holding to give us that another leg to the upside move, right? And that could probably take us back into the next EMA. Resistance would be somewhere in that area here. It could be right here, right? And this is where I'm kind of thinking maybe we could get a bounce into. But again, we have to hold. We held pretty nicely here so far. 3 attempts to kind of break it to the downside. But this market truly did not get that sort of a pullback that a lot of the bears were maybe kind of waiting for. So I do kind of expect to see a bounce in this market, guys, right? So unless we get something like this kind of play out, we try to push, and if we get a rejection and get a flush down and break underneath, that's a break in the structure. A retest the initial support, obviously starting to act as a resistance, and we could get a flush down to look something like that, right? This is what it could try to play out. But if we don't get a rejection, we could try to look for something like this, right? Push, try to hold, and the 470 460 area starts to act as a support. Finds a nice little support kind of in that 468 area, kind of hold, and that could start to act as another level of support too again. And that's gonna now nicely get back into the 500s, and that could potentially take us all the way up to the 510 520 area. We'll see, guys. I mean, so far we're kind of really choppy, right? So I'm gonna trade silver. I'm gonna trade silver right now. So it's one of the two, guys. The trend line is where I'm gonna be looking at right now. The silver, sorry, not silver, NQ. So NQ, we're gonna have to hold that trend line, right? And that's a nice little support. If we hold that, I think we have a nice little push for another 40 points to the upside. Silver, hold. Oh my god, I absolutely did not realize I had my entries here. Limit order on both long and the short. And by the way, this did not get filled. Can you believe that? I mean, even though I did not realize that I had a limit order. No. Oh my god. A good, nice little bounce across the board. Asia is not open. Asia already opened an hour ago. What are you guys talking about? This is StockTiger going all day. No, man. Yeah, man. Are we going to get a squeeze to the upside? Let's take a look at the gold here. Man, gold is squeezing, man. I don't even know what to do. Yeah, exactly. Shanghai. It's not Tokyo. I mean, guys, oh my god, this is a real mochaccino. Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot of fun, man. Obviously. I'm trying. Oh no! Ah!
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh, $300 right there, guys. And that's a nice, beautiful $300 trade. Holy mochaccino. Did you guys see that trade? Silver. All right, guys,
Order
let's give another
submitted.
try. You guys know, man, I'm
Order
ready. I'm
submitted.
ready to get smoked.
Order
I'll tell you what.
canceled.
I'm ready to get smoked. Okay,
Order
guys.
submitted.
All right. I'm ready to get smoked, but I'm still trading. I'm taking my chances here. Oh man, this is unreal, guys, man. Holy man, look at the silver. Man, this is crazy, everybody. Yeah, we'll do our giveaway pretty soon here, guys. Don't forget to type in exclamation tiger, and guys, show some love, you know, StockTiger. Come on. I mean, StockTiger struggling to trade silver here. Show some love. StockTiger, show some love. All right, guys. 76, man. Holy, 75.7. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try and narrow my limit orders now. Oh man, look at this gold pumping. Holy mochaccino. And that bounce in the gold is unreal. Guys, man, I want to find out what you guys are doing right now. I want to know if you guys are trading actually trading gold and silver. Let's find out. I'm gonna do a little poll. All right, guys, let me know. Let's do a little poll here. I want to find out what you guys are doing right here, right now, guys. Man, this is incredible mochaccino, man. Look at this bounce we are getting. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. 25 votes already. Are you trading silver and gold? We've got 65% of the traders saying yes. All right, guys, I'm looking for that scalpy trade. Let's see, guys, man. All right, I'm gonna end the poll. I'm gonna end the poll right there. That's a pretty crazy. Shit, man. Look at that pullback here, guys, man. Look at that pullback in silver. Wow. All right. 76. All right, fellow traders, I am gonna try and short this silver for a quick silver pull. Oh shit. Yeah, I mean, my damage, guys. I mean, me trading silver right now, the damage is very limited. What's the worst it's gonna be? A loose my take profit trader eval account, one eval account. I've already got like a couple evals that's pretty close to passing, and I already have 5 take profit trader pro accounts. So it's you know, from a grand scheme of things, it's all good. You know what I mean? It's all good. And I'm trading this, try to see if I can actually close a little bit of a gap here, because I'm down. I was down about $1,300. I'm only down like a little less than $900 at this point. With one good trade that I can get on silver, now I'll be probably back to break even. So, you know what I mean? And that's what it is. Got to think about that from the bigger picture story. You gotta have to take a look at that, right? You know, every firm is gonna have pros and cons, right? You're not gonna try and be exposed to one firm, right? And that's the last thing I try to do, right? And of course, I'm not here to tell you what to do. For me, the last thing I'm gonna do is be exposed to one firm. But at least I'll have 2 or 3 good firms that I'm gonna be very comfortable trading with. And for me, it's Apex, it's Take Profit Trader, and it's gonna be Lucid too. And then you also have Tradify, and you have you know, all the other firms like Legend, Fundy Futures Network, and you also have Top Step too. So yeah. I'm trying, guys, man. I'm trying. I'm not trying to you know, I'm trying to get into good trade with silver. All right, now I think we're in the chop land, right? We are right in the chop land. So we don't have any clear directional move here. Overall, obviously the structure is to the upside on the silver, but just saying, at least right now, as of this moment, on a 1 minute candle, I'm kind of like sitting right in the middle. So I may have to just walk away from silver for now until we start to see some directional move. Oh, we are actually getting a directional move here. Hold on 1 second, guys.
Order submitted.
We may be trying to get breakout. Or maybe not. Yeah, it's kind of like consolidating in this range, but I see that. Yeah, absolutely. Getting a little bit of a break here to the downside. Yeah, I think the Tradify, I think it's what again, the Lightning funded accounts are still, I think they're 50% if I'm not wrong. I may be wrong, I'm not sure. Give it a try. Oh, guys, man, I'm very careful, man. Look at that wick here on the gold. Swear to God. Now, as soon as I try to go short, obviously it's gonna get a bounce. I kind of like this for a little more push down, guys, on silver. I'm gonna be looking for that little bit of a bounce. Hold on 1 second, guys. Let's see. Let's see if we get a little bounce back into the 60, and then maybe give us that pullback down and try to retest the 200s. KSP, are you talking to me or who are you talking to? What trade do you want to see? You want to see my you want to see my t-shirt? Go check my replay. All right. So 75.2. Oh my god, we'll pull back here. Hold on 1 second. If you put all caps, and if you want to be a troll, I'm gonna have to send you to Mars. So be careful what you try to do. Oh man, that person has to go now. Holy. Dog eater. Wow. Guys, man. We still have monkeys like that in the house. This online space, guys, sometimes it's wild. I'm telling you that much. It's wild sometimes. You're like, what the heck is going on here right now? Incredible. All right, all right. Yeah, it's just very unfortunate. You know, you have people do wild stuff. It's just incredible. You know what I mean? Incredible. Very incredible. Incredible, everybody. Do I get emotional? No, absolutely not. Not anymore. I used to get little pissed, but not anymore though. I mean, I kind of, you know, we all go through process, right? Yes, I'm definitely yeah. I'm a strong StockTiger now. All right, guys, we get a little down, 75.3 here. It's yeah, I mean, I understand. You know, I understand. Sometimes, you know, unfortunately, what's the most evals you blew in one day? I don't know, man. It's hard to say. Maybe 10 evals. But keep in mind, I don't copy trade, right? So when you lose 10 accounts, that's actually quite a lot, right? All right, guys, we get a little bounce in the silver. I want to. I don't know. All of a sudden, from nowhere, reminding me of that one guy. Come here and say dog eater. Oh my god, I can't believe that. I'm like still thinking about it. All right, 75.47. Yeah, I mean, we're still right in that chop area, you know what I mean, that consolidation area. So I'm like, I don't like I said again, the silver, I think I need that momentum push.
Order
I need to
canceled.
ride the momentum on the silver. I can't
Order canceled.
yeah, I have to play the momentum on the silver. I think that's probably the only way to kind of survive in a trade for a quick scalp, right? And that's what I've done. I made $400 on that little move to the downside. So oh, sorry, man. Yeah, so I've got to shut that off because Funded Next does not have that offer anymore. My apologies, bro. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, that's a December offer. I'm still living in that December. Hey, Mitsuno, what is going on, brother? All right, so wow, I can't believe the gold. Sorry, the NQ not doing anything right now. to say the least. The NQ is still within that range, still kind of respecting the trend line, but we may break. We just need more push. We got to get above the 490 to be a lot more bullish in the NQ. Yeah, so the NQ obviously not doing anything right now. I think the most we are kind of getting is the silver and the gold. That's really the only thing that's moving kind of really nicely, right? The NQ slow. Let's take a look at the crude oil here for a moment. But the crude oil, we actually got a bounce, guys. The crude oil is getting a higher low right now, right? Higher low on crude oil, so that's looking pretty good. But is it worth trading crude oil? Not really. I'm not interested, to be honest. But I'm just kind of using this to kind of gauge where this market's gonna go overall and how it's gonna kind of influence the index level. So far NQ in that chop, gold pulling back a little bit, silver pulling back here as well. Once again, thank everybody for being here, guys, man. It's truly my honor to be able to trade obviously alongside my fellow traders every day. Globex Asia, if you guys are new here, I trade live every day, Globex Asia 5:30, and then of course I go live in the morning too in the New York, at least twice a week in the morning at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. So I'd love to see you guys every day in the mornings and the Globex Asia as well. Do not forget to hit that notification bell to always get notified every time I go live in the mornings. All right, so the silver trying to get a little pullback here. Let's just try to patiently wait, right? And I'm gonna try my level best to save this account as much as I can. The ticker cat, you went down 490 for the lucid consistency. Oh, you need to lose 490. I mean, just click buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Probably about 10 times. You're going to lose that $490 in a matter of a second. So I think you should be fine. So the silver not doing anything as of this moment. We're kind of respecting that support here at $75. But yeah, I'm just still not sure, I'll be honest. Oh, there we go, guys. We're getting a little bit of a bounce now on the silver.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I was trying to short this. Monica, what is up? Monica in the house. No, I mean, I'm not, well, No, I'm not trying to short the. I'm not trying to short silver. I'm trying to ride the momentum. I'm looking for that momentum ride trade kind of a thing. So right now I'm not decided on which side I'm gonna take. Well, I'm trying. If I can make like, you know, a couple $100, like $400 trade, that would be really nice. I kind of prefer to see a little bit of a pop into the 520s and give that little bit of a pullback down into the 400 area, right? A quick pop and a quick pullback, you know? Why is it the last chance to buy? Oh man, I missed that. Yeah, I mean, there we go, man. That was a little bit of a pop that we got, 500 area. Oh, I missed it again. It's not a pump. That's exactly, man. Here, we'll give it a try again, guys. Oh. Oh my God, I missed that. Okay, one more push. The gold is pumping, man, guys. Yeah, I see that gold trying to pump. Oh, there we go. I missed it again. Oh my God, guys. I'm missing the silver trade. Enter on the pop. Enter on the pop. Try to short this gold for a quick 0.1. Yeah, I'm nervous. I'm gonna give myself more room there again. Yeah, that would have been a nice little trade there. At 600 area, try to short from that area, maybe a pullback here. That would have been nice, guys. By the way, let's go ahead and do our giveaway. I'm gonna close the entries, guys. I'm gonna close the entries. Good luck, everybody. This is going to be Apex account giveaway. Keep in mind we got 90% off right now, Apex. And yeah, hard for me to short and long both in this price action that we are getting right here. So I'm gonna be extra careful now. But wow, I mean, we are back. I mean, I was down quite a lot. We are only down about $900, so. Are we gonna move? Oh my god, I can't believe that, guys. Incredible. That thing is really annoying. Oh man. Now if I try to short this, it's gonna obviously get a bounce, right? So it's hard. I'm just gonna exit that.
Order
Yeah,
canceled.
and just get out of that, right? Just we'll keep an eye on that again. All right, I'm gonna pick the winner now, guys. Good luck, everybody. I'm gonna give you 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us here tonight. So. Gold, be careful, guys. I mean, we hit that ceiling right at this 44.30, and that's just a key level. It almost kind of feels, you know what, guys? I don't know, man. So I think if we get above 40, I would say 44.50, then I think we have a chance to get a balance all the way into the 30s. So we have to get above, let's say, we gotta get above the 450, right? First and first, and that's gonna give us a chance of a bounce back into the 45s, 45.30s. So that's literally a lot. So I'm gonna hourly chart right now. But I think if we get a bounce above the 44.50 area, then I think, oh yeah, sorry, I lied. 44.50 area, if we have a chance to get back into the 44.80s. And then if we hold, then I think we have a chance of a strong bounce back into the 45s, right? So not looking bearish at all to me on gold, to be honest, even though I'm not in a trade. Just doesn't feel like a bearish in the gold. Again, a lot of things can change overnight. So if you're trying to swing trade gold, well, good luck with that. All right, guys, we're getting a little bit of a pullback here in the silver.
Order submitted.
Ah, man. All right, guys. I'm gonna pick the winner now. Good luck, everybody. Let's go, guys. Mr. DR 980, 1 minute to confirm.
Order cancelled.
We've got a little less than 1 minute to confirm that you are here. If not, we are gonna redraw. All right, so there we go, guys. We are getting a little bit of a bounce.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Keep missing out.
Order cancelled.
All right, we're gonna redraw. Mr. Millie like. 1 minute to confirm, brother. 1 minute.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Holy man, I'm already down $300. Are you crazy? Damn. Wrong feel. Incredible. Let's try to see. Yeah, I think this is gonna get nuked now. Unfortunately. I don't know how it's down $400. Incredible. It's not here. I'm gonna call the winner again. Damn, guys, what a waste. Looks like I'm Capito. I don't know. Yeah, this could be gone. I'll call it for today if it gets blown. That's it. Nothing for today. Globex Asia. That's it. Really annoying, man. I mean, I had this entry right, but it's okay. Now it's gonna break out.
Order
There we
filled.
go. It's gone, guys. I want to pick the winner. Trader X. Yeah, it's gone. Account's gone. Where's that again? Trader X. Trader X6. I'm gonna give you 1 minute. Trader X. Yeah, man, I can't believe NQ is really not doing anything at this moment. So incredible. Yeah, I think I should lower the time. Make it 30 seconds. We'll do 2 more draw, and then if it's we don't have anybody here, we'll call it. We'll come back tomorrow, okay? Okay, it's gone. So we're gonna find another one. So 2 more draw. If nobody's here, we'll call it. We'll roll it to the next day. John Newton, 1 minute. Sorry. Oh yeah, 1 minute. That's right. 1 minute. The Discord link I'll share right now again. Oh, John is here. We have a winner. Congrats, John. We have a winner here, guys. John Newton is the winner. Fuck, man, look at the silver that I'm pulling back. Incredible. So John Newton, and we also have Con Divergence Master. Just hit me a DM on the main chat. I will take a look and take care of your previous, I think it's the previous giveaway that I had to take care of. I will take care of that, guys. Do not worry about that. Thank you for your patience. But I think this market now, it's kind of really slowed down. Nothing really there to kind of trade off, right? And not... I lost 1 account, so maybe I'll call it here. We'll try to come back here stronger, hopefully. All right, fellow traders, man, we are. I am done for today. Holy, I'm done for today, guys. We'll see you guys back, everybody, tomorrow. Back during the Globex Asia, guys. I thank you so much, everybody, for being here. It was amazing, and it was an amazing day. It was a lot of fun, a lot of positive vibe in our community. Thank you guys for being here every day with us. I've shared my Discord link as well if you guys want to hang out. One of the fastest growing Discord channel. We'd love to see you guys there as well. I'm going to share the link again once again. There, and then everybody, we'll see you guys back during the Globex Asia tomorrow at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll try to have a better day tomorrow. I thank you so much once again for being here, all of you. God bless. Have a great rest of the night, guys. Take care tomorrow. It's gonna be a wild day. It just kind of looks like it's gonna be a wild day with a lot of headlines and a lot of news coming out as well. So be careful, guys, trading tomorrow. Do not lose your funded accounts, right? Do not lose your funded accounts, guys. Take care. Love you guys once again. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Globex Asia, everybody have a great rest of the night. Have a great day tomorrow as well in the morning. Take care, everybody. Love you guys. Take care and peace out, everybody. Have a great night. Kroll, Edgar, Leon, man. Have a great night, brother. Thank you so much. Gary, Alfredo, Total, the Real Sea Trader. Thank you, guys. Have a great rest of the day. Thank you. Peace.